today we are going to start the new topic, the basic concept of decompositions. These decompositions form from the decompose, and this decompose means the breakdown. These decompositions from the word decompose, and this decompose means the breakdown, means the any complex organic material. The definition of this decomposition is the any complex organic materials break down into the simple form or the simple substances is called as the decomposition. This is the definition of the decomposition. The definition: the complex organic matter breakdown into simple matter or simple substances. So simple substances, for example, the carbon dioxide, water, or the nutrient, like carbon dioxide, water, or the nutrient is called as the decomposition. This is the definition of the decomposition. The any organic complex organic substances break down into the simple form, into the simple substances like the carbon dioxide, water, or the nutrients. This process is called as the decompositions, or this organic matter. This is the complex organic matter. This organic matter is also called as the dead material, or the dead matter, or it is also called as the raw material. This raw material or this dead matter means the any kind of the plant parts, for example leaf, then the branches of the plant, then the any kind of the part of the plants, then the animal wastage, this is the raw material or the dead matter. This is the complex organic matter. This raw material is also called as the detritus. It is also called as the detritus. This raw materials mean the any kind of the plant parts or the animal waste, and this raw material, this organic matter called as the detritus, or on this detritus, this organism, this microorganism or the any kind of the organism attack on this detritus, this organism called as the detritivores. Detritivorous organisms. This is the important detritivorous organism. For example, the bacteria, fungi, or the earthworm. This earthworm is also called as the friend of the farm, because this earthworm decompose the organic matter, and as this earthworm is also called as the friend of the farmer, because this earthworm is the detrivorous, because this earthworm attack on this detritus, attack on this dead materials, and then form this simple form. And this matter, this particle is very important to the soil, or very important to the crops, and hence this earthworm is called as the friend of the farmer. Then in this decomposition, in this process included the 5 steps. These are the first: fragmentation, second leaching, then third catabolism, then fourth humidification, and last one the mineralization. This is the 5 steps included in the decomposition. Means this detritus on this detritus attack on the detrivorous, and then this detritus goes into the in these 5 steps, and then this raw material, this detritus is fully decomposed. Means this detritus going to on this going in this 5 steps 5 step process: fragmentation, leaching, catabolism, humidification, and mineralization. And after that, this detritus is fully decomposed. Then the one by one to discuss about the one by one these 5 steps. First is the fragmentation. First step is the fragmentation. This fragmentation means this organic matters break into the particles, simple particles. For example, this is the detrivorous. For example, this is the detrivorous, and this detrivorous breaks into the small particles. This process called as the fragmentation. This process is called as the fragmentation. Means these substances, organic substances, break into the fragments. Breaks into the particles of the fragments. This process is called as the fragmentation. Means this is the matter, this is the substance, organic substance. This organic substance breaks into the simple form, into the small particles or the fragments. This process is called as the fragmentation. Then second step is the leaching. In this process, the water soluble nutrient goes down into the soil origin. Water soluble nutrient this water soluble nutrient or the water soluble ions, or it is also called as the salts. This water soluble ions or this salt will go down to the soil origins. Into the soil origin or get precipitate. This process is called as the leaching. Means in this first steps, fragmentation, the formation of the small particles, and in this particles present the water soluble nutrient ions or the salt. This this water soluble ions go down into the soil layers and get separated, they get precipitated. This process is called as the leaching. This is the second step of the decomposition. Then third is the catabolism. This catabolism and the fragmentation, the meaning of this two steps is similar, because in this two steps the breakage the substances. But in this catabolism, in this process, the enzyme is very important. This process is the enzyme oriented. Third step, catabolism. In this catabolism, the enzyme is very important, because this catabolism is the type of the metabolism, and this metabolism is divided into the two types. First is the anabolic. It is a type of the metabolic process, and this metabolic process is divided into the two types. First is the anabolic and second is the catabolic. In this catabolic reactions, in this catabolic process, the synthesize the substances. This process is called as the anabolic, and the second type is the catabolic. In this catabolic, they breakage the substances into this simple form. This is called as the catabolic reaction. But in this metabolic reaction, the enzyme is very important. It is the enzyme oriented process. It is the enzyme oriented reaction, and yes, in this catabolic reaction, the bacteria and the fungi and fungal enzymes. Bacterial and the fungal enzyme is included in this reaction. And then this organic matters breakage with the help of this enzyme into the simple form. This process is called as the catabolism. This is the third step of this decomposition. These three steps, fragmentation, leaching and this catabolism, these three steps take place simultaneously in the process of the decomposition, and then after take place these three steps, then after take place the another two steps. Fourth, humidification. And fifth, mineralization. First three steps. First is the fragmentation, second is the leaching, and third is the catabolism. First, these three steps take place simultaneously, and after that three steps, then take place the humidification and the mineralization. This humidifications, this word comes from the humus, and this humus means the storage of nutrient on the ground layer. Nutrient on ground level is called as the humus or the humidification. Means on this ground present the dark color amorphous colloidal nutrient layer form on the ground layer. Means the storage of the nutrient on the ground layer, or the another definition of the humidification is the dark color amorphous colloidal and nutrient layer present or the form on this ground layer. This layer is called as the humidification, and this colloidal is very hard to decompose, and hence in this humidification, in this process, this decomposition process is very slow. decomposition process is very slow because this colloidal nature is very hard to decompose, and hence in this process this decomposition process is very slow. And this humus or the humification means the storage of the dark color amorphous colloidal nutrient form on this ground layer. This is called as the humification. This is the fourth step of the decomposition. Then last one, mineralization. This mineralization in the simple form means the formation of the mineral. This is called as the mineralization. Means in this process this humus undergoes decomposition by the bacteria. Humus decompose by bacteria. After the humification, then take place the mineralization, and in this mineralization, this humus is decomposed by the bacteria, and the decomposition process is very slow because this layer is the colloidal in nature, and hence this decomposition is very low. Humus decomposed by bacteria. Decomposition decomposition is very low and ultimately release the minerals. This process is called as the mineralization. In the simple form, the formation of the minerals means in this mineralization process, the formation of the minerals, then separated of the minerals. Then the definition of the mineralization is the humus decompose means in after the humification, the formation of the mineralization, and in this humification, the formation of the humus on this ground, and then this humus decomposed by the bacteria, and in this process the decomposition is very slow, and in this process the ultimately release of the mineralization. In the last step the release the minerals, and this process is called as the mineralization. This is the 5 step of the decomposition. First is the fragmentation, second is the leaching, third is the catabolism, fourth is the humification, and last one is the mineralization. And this detritus goes down into these 5 steps, and then this detritus means this organic matter is fully decomposed in the decomposition process. Then the last point of this decomposition is the rate of decomposition. The last point is the rate of decomposition. The last point is the rate of decomposition. In this soil, when suppose the present the chitin or the lignin, this chitin or the lignin is present in the cell wall, and this chitin and lignin present in this soil. At this time, it is very hard to decompose, and hence this decomposition process is very slow when this chitin and lignin present in this soil. This decomposition is very slow. This process is very slow when this chitin and lignin present in the soil. Then another sugar or the protein present in the soils. At this time, this protein and the sugar is very easily break down, very easily decompose, and hence this decomposition process is fast. When the sugar and protein is present in the soil, at this time this decomposition is very fast. Then the climate also affect on this decomposition process. Temperature and the climate affect on this decomposition process. The humid and the warm climate, at this time the decomposition is process is fast. This decomposition process take place the fast. This is the rate of decompositions.